Hi, Justin Labato here with Autogeek, and we are here in Hayward, California at the P&S headquarters with Mr. Renny Doyle himself.
What's up? How you doing, buddy?
How are you?
Good, bud. Good to see you.
Yes, no, as always. So with this is something cool because this is P&S Off Road products. This is another great lineup of products that are added to the P&S family of products. This was a product that was established in April of 2022. So this is something that is new to the family, and we want to have Renny give us the rundown on the purpose and the value and of course the benefits of this product line.
Justin, you know, Dave and Bob are always about adding more value to the P&S line. And the family of products, you know, it's a legacy company, and it's really cool to see the brands grow. So you have the legacy products, then Double Black, and now off-road. And the motorsports category is just massive. And you go out, and Diane and I are really into overlanding, and you see all the side-by-sides, and you see the quads, and all the dirt bikes and everything else. And so Team Double Black, Sydney, Kyle, they jumped all over this stuff.
Those motor vehicles, they get dirty.
They get real dirty. And so it's nice to see them build a complement of products that really takes, for those that are out in the dirt getting dirty, it takes care of a real need that just really hasn't been out there. And I'm excited that they went this direction, and it's cool to see it happen.
So with that, what are the unique benefits that somebody who owns an off-road vehicle, ATV, whatever it may be, that they could see by utilizing this lineup?
You know, I tell you that the people that help design this product are really into motorsports. So, you know, the Phillips family is really outdoorsy family. You've got Kyle and Sydney. You know, Sydney lives in Idaho. Kyle's really into the side-by-side scene. I'm into overlanding, but this was really their baby. As Kyle and Sydney really jumped on this, they took a hold of it, and what they came up with is pretty amazing.
So the fact of the matter that you have people out in the field that actually utilize those types of, you know, motorsport type vehicles, and they were looking for it, and there's kind of not, I wouldn't say a hole in the market, but definitely a place in the market that this could be used big time. But they're out there, you know, having fun with these and getting dirty, but also looking for products to accommodate how to clean them up. And I'm sure there's a whole community out there.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, you know, you're spending a lot of money on these toys now, and so they got to look good. And there's a whole segment of the market that some people may not care, but there's a large segment that really does. And with P&S, you know, they're always about quality. They want affordable quality, something that's really good, that won't bust the bank, and that the end user can use and have fun with, and it's not complicated, it's easy, it does a great job, and it's affordable. And that's where off-road comes into play.
Now, give me the breakdown on each category of what the benefits are. Nothing too in-depth, but just enough
just to go over it. So, you know, I love, first off, the names. These guys work really hard. So, Pit Stop is a quick detailer, and so it's exactly that. You come in, you're coming in for lunch, and your side-by-side's a little dirty, you want it to look good. You know, you spent $40,000 on this thing. It's got to look nice, so you just quickly wipe it down, right? This is probably, I love the name on this was, it's total dressing. It's called Full Send. And so when these guys are going up, they're hill climbing, they're marking, anything else, that was full send, you know, send it. So
well, and this on a lot of the plastic too, this will help reduce the amount of mud and build up.
Makes it easier to wash.
Makes it easier to wash
later. Yeah. And so again, it was designed with the idea that it's all for motorsports, off-roading. Cockpit is an interior cleaner. Again, a little more oomph, and so it's going to go after heavy dust and dirt. So it's made specifically for that. I love, and the coloring, index coloring, great. Mud Buster. You think any question on what it does? So again, you get out there in different parts of the country. Out west, it's more dirt and dust. You get to the central part out east, down south, a lot of mud. So Mud Buster's just for that.
Now, real quick on this one, on Mud Buster, one thing that I've really picked up on that I really like is that with a lot of these ATVs, with all the different vinyl, whether it be matte finish, high finish, plastic, this is something that you can actually spray on all the surfaces and not worry about it creating any kind of chemical stains and being able to power rinse it or, you know, rinse it off with a garden hose and be able to clean the surface without compromising the finish.
Absolutely, it's like anything, you want to test it first, you know, especially as surfaces age and so forth, you know, the textures change. Correct. So you always want to test it out, but yeah, it's made for the idea of it spray and go.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of it. And then lastly in the lineup is our soap. And so it's a really great, again, concentration to where it's just wide open. It's the essence of off-roading. It's the essence of taking and going out in your side-by-side on your bike, or if you're going out overlanding.
Yeah, and it's great because on the back of the bottle here, you have all the different style off-road vehicles.
You know, I like to say that I've got a fat tire bike now. I don't get into I used to have the KTMs and everything else. hardcore, but now I like to roll slow on the dirt bike. And I got to tell you, the soap is in my hands constantly. It's just, I come back, I wash it off, and then the mud buster. This time of year, we don't get into the mud like we do dust, so it's kind of seasonal. So the wash is more handy for me. Now in spring and fall, we'll go back over to the mud buster. So it's a great lineup that really serves a great purpose within the entire off-road community.
And I love the fact that, of course, it comes in the standard pints, but it also comes in gallons. And then, of course, you've got the wonderful safety bottles to accommodate that.
Absolutely. So again, made for the enthusiasts, but definitely for the pros out there. If you want to pick it up, you're going to be really happy with it. But those that really enjoy going out and getting dirty on the weekends and so forth on your toys, I'll tell you, you're going to really, really enjoy this product line.
If you have any off-road vehicles that you're wanting to keep up with, clean, maintain, all the goodies that come with that are going to be right here in the off-road lineup from P&S. So for any other questions or anything you may have and you have interest in this lineup, visit autogeek.com.